everyone, welcome back for another episode with Kitty on Ginger Me Glam. I'm super excited to show you all of the fun things that the Toy Insider has gifted to us to unbox today. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so on the inside, very excited. There's a lot of stuff going on in here. Okay, so we have some unboxed all new mini brands. Ooh, mini brands? Well, what's that? Let's take a look. So there's a Series 1, Series 2. Let's go ahead and open them up. Alright, so we're unboxing the mini brands. Make sure that you are opening it up for your little one. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so how does this open exactly? It says open up this one. So oh, okay. So I'm taking off this top portion here. Oh, cool. Oh, it opens up like an orange. What? Okay. This is so fun. Okay. So there's like different ones inside. All right, let's get to the good part. Oh, cute. Okay. Oh, fun. It's like a mini JoJo Siwa. Okay, that's fun. It's like a little bow. That's cute. Okay, what's door number 2? See, I like opening these up. A lot of fun things. Oh, cool. Yeah. All right, so we've got the X-Shot. There's so many. Can you see that? These are really cute. All right, so it comes with a guide. Tells us which ones that we can collect. All right, 2 down, 3 to go. All right. Oh, cool. Untamed. All right, this is a really cool creature. Can you see that one? They're so tiny too. My goodness. They weren't kidding when they were saying they're tiny. Okay. Whoa, okay, this one has a lot of parts you gotta put together. What is this? Okay. Whoa. Trying to get the directions out without dumping everything here. All right, definitely make sure when you're opening this with the little one that you are helping them. I can see why this is for 3 and up. Oh, it's to make a shopping cart. How cute. Okay, so we're gonna build the shopping cart. That's fun. But for the sake of time here, we're going to open up the next one. Oh, cool, a Frisbee. Hey. That's fun. I don't know if you'd be able to find this in the grass, but you know, if you have a thing for collecting the little mini brands, this is definitely gonna be it. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Where'd it go? Okay, so we've got the second one. Let's see what's inside this one. So the key is to find the perforated dots on the side. That's number 1. I can see why people love these so much because they're so collectible. Oh my goodness. Am I gonna get in there? Okay. All right. Then you gotta find the other perforation right there. Okay. That way you don't need scissors like silly old me thinking, I can cut this. No, I can't. All right. Where'd it go? There we go. Okay. Once you know what you're doing, it's not that bad. All right. Again, we pop it up. Woo! We can open it up, see what's going on here. All right, let's take a look. Ooh. Oh! Hey, you know, I would have loved this when I had a little dollhouse. Look, it's got like the seasoning. That's super cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, cute. All right. Barbecue sauce. Did they know I was in Texas? I see what you did there. I do. Okay. Next one. I'm having so much fun doing this. Another shopping cart. All right, let me put it with the other one so that I don't lose it. Okay, perfect. Oh, cute. Little artisan nut thins with flax seeds. All right. Even your dolls will be healthy. All right. Last one. What do we got? What do we got? Hey, the famous little boo box. Okay. Well, that was fun. Thank you for those. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the next thing. We'll do the small to big. We've got Trinity and Beyond. So these are cute little collectible, buildable figures with charms. This is series 1 and it's for ages 3+. Okay. Also, if you want to know which ones are available, here are some of the different ones. So let's see which ones that we collected. Oh, cute. Okay. Oh, she's a ginger. Yes. Okay, good. This makes me so happy. Okay. So I've got, and it's got one of my favorite animals, or insects rather, butterfly. So let's go ahead and open it up and put her together. So I like that it comes in the different sections so that you can see what you're building. Let's make it happen. All right, so we push it down. Gotta make sure we're putting this the right way. Oh, you can move her arms, that's cool. All right, so move her arms down, put the head on. So cute. And then the bottom part. All right, who do we got here? Let's see, what's your name? This is Flutter by Madison. Super cute. If you're a social butterfly like me, yes, you can have wings too. So cute. Aw, I love that. So I have like figurines on my desk. My son, he likes to collect these kind of things too, but definitely this is going to be a fave in our house. Okay, the next toy. Ooh, this is Color by Playfoam from Educational Insights. So what you do is you pick a color, you squish a section, finish, and then you display it. So fun. Okay. Obviously, they know me very well to pick unicorns. Hello. Oh my goodness. All right, so we have one like this one, and then we also have Crayola glitter dots. Oh, these are cute too. So you can make keychains with the same thing where you can squish them, design it, have fun. And I know glitter gets everywhere, but this is glitter with less mess. We'll see. Super cute. You just squish these dots in there. And then there's 3 different designs. Personally, I'm digging the narwhal, but hey, everyone loves an alpaca, right? Oh yeah, wish I had one of those. I would love a little farm so I could have all the alpacas that I want. Fair enough, right? All right, moving on, we have Pinksies. They gave me these cute little stickers. Also looking like me with the red hair. Very cute. And then got a big game. This is See What I Mean from Relative Insanity. And Jeff Foxworthy actually designed this game. So crazy runs in the family, and there's pictures to prove it. Okay, so what do you do with this, right? So basically you look at a photo card like this one, and then you roll the die to see if you'll caption it using a punchline. What happened next, or what would Granny say? And then the reader picks the funniest, mom's favorite, second funniest, which is middle child, meh. And then if it applies, a black sheep. A bad caption choice. Yes, bad. That's the only place you're going to be able to see that, okay? Okay. So, yeah, this looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. It's for 4 to 12 players. So if you got a small, big family, lots of friends, some friends, this is great. And ages 14 and up. All right. Definitely going to get a lot of use out of this during quarantine, right? Ooh, and this one's cool too for the little ones. Okay, so children's face masks from, of course, one of my son's favorites, Ryan's World. These are Just Play Cares. For every box purchased, a portion of the proceeds will go towards providing masks to those in need. Oh, okay. So there's different ones. Let's see, there's 2 super cool prints that come inside. I love that. Okay, so let's take a look so you can see up close. Nice. Definitely need to use those. And then, last but not least, from the Holly Jolly swag box from the Toy Insider, we have exploding kittens. Of course, right? I love kittens. And this is one of my favorite card games that I've seen online, so I'm excited. I actually get to play it now. They have, what was it? The enchiladas. Yeah, so this is, I've been looking at this online and I'm so happy that I got it because I'll give you the little premise around it. The game is a highly strategic, kitty-powered version of Russian roulette. Players draw cards until someone draws an exploding kitten, at which point they explode, they are dead, and they're out of the game. Unless that player has a defuse card, which can defuse the kitten using things like laser pointers, belly rubs, and catnip, sandwiches. All right. All of the other cards in the deck are used to move, mitigate, or avoid the exploding kittens. Hey. Oh, they also put a fancy code inside that unlocks a bonus gift. Now that's the stuff. Okay, so it's like Uno, except there are goats, magical enchiladas, and kittens that can kill you. So if it's, if that's up your alley, definitely check it out. I will be playing it on my stories, so be sure to subscribe to the channel here, follow me on social media, give this video a thumbs up, write in the comments all your favorite toys that you've seen today. Tell me how much you love the channel, and that, spread that good cheer. All right, take care, everybody. Bye.